Hello, guy. Hello, ENT601. Um, let's just wait till we have 50 people here, or we'll wait for like 3 more minutes or 4 more minutes, and we'll see if we have up to 50 people on this live stream, so we can start doing analysis. Whatever pair you want, put the pair you want a free analysis for in the comment section. I'll do some analysis for some pairs, and whatever pair you put in the comment section, I'll do an analysis on or a signal on that also. If you also have any questions about trading, swing trading, scalping, hedging, you can put that in the comment section also. All right. How are you guys doing? How many of you guys are in a live trade right now? Okay, someone said they want free analysis on Euro USD. Like I said, you guys should keep putting whatever pair you want analysis for in the comment section. I have some pairs that I'm going to do analysis on. Things like gold. Okay. Someone says me. I don't know why you're saying me. What does me mean? For those who are just joining in, we're waiting till we have at least 50 people on the live stream, and we're gonna start doing the analysis in about 3 minutes. Okay, whatever pair you want analysis on, just put that in the comment section. And yeah, you can also tell me where you're from and how you found the channel, or if you have questions about trading, swing trading, scalping, signals, the course, what else, my live streams, hedging. Just put that in the comment section and we'll be able to answer your questions now. Someone says, when you what is this, when you do trade, okay, when do you trade, how we cannot, okay, when do you trade and how can we know about it? What are you talking about? If you want to know about my trades, then you should just get the signal. What I live stream, okay, he said again, we want your trade signals. Please guide how to start. Okay, if you want my trade signals, I'm gonna put something in the comment section right now. You can just go to the website and get the signals from there. Okay, you want the signals for my trades that I live stream, just put that in the comment section. How do I deliver my signals? You have access to me on Telegram. You will message me directly on Telegram and you ask for whatever pair you want. Okay, I just replied you with the link that you need. Okay, someone says they're from Brazil. Someone says I should please share analysis on gold. Okay, I'll add that to my list. So far on the list we have Euro USD and gold. Guys, whatever pairs you want analysis on, put that in the comment section. We are waiting till we have at least 50 people on the live stream, and then we'll start giving the analysis and giving signals on the pairs that you put in the comment section. So far on the comment section we have Euro USD request and we have for gold. What other pairs do you want analysis on? Someone says they're from Mississippi. Okay, how did you find my channel? And remember, when you subscribe on the channel, click all the notification bells, okay? Because when I do a giveaway, it's those who click all the notification bells and make at least one comment on the channel that receive the giveaway. Also, get more people to subscribe, because if you don't win, they may win and you guys can share the prize. Same thing for the free Telegram group, okay guys? Every time we reach 1,000 members, I do a giveaway. Someone says they want analysis on USD JPY. Okay, so that is added to our list. So we have USD JPY, we have gold, we have Euro USD. What else, guys? Someone says please share your, no, I just do foreign exchange pairs and gold. Okay, I don't know if you're new here. Where are you from, by the way, and how did you find my channel? Let's see, let's see. Are you guys enjoying the scalping videos I've been uploading lately? Because I was uploading some scalping videos and I stopped uploading for a while, but now I'm uploading them all over again. Someone says great analysis. Okay, thank you. I haven't started the analysis, but okay. What other pairs do you guys want so far? So far, you guys have only said Euro USD, Gold, and USD JPY. All right, we're still waiting till we have 50 people on the live stream. Someone says, okay, so someone put the whole list. We need analysis on CAD JPY, Euro CAD, GBP USD. I don't do all those NAS and USO. Sorry about that. Just put foreign exchange pairs and gold. So someone says my previous analysis was great. Yes, all the last analysis I gave, all the trades played out, you know, and they were, you know, high reward, low risk trades. Okay, so let's see if we can get that today again. Today is Monday, the 27th of February, end of the month. I think we should have non-farm payrolls this week, NFP news this week. So let's also see how that will play out. Remember, NFP is always trying to fool traders, okay? Most of the time, they're always trying to fool traders. So we have to be very cautious of the market when we're taking a trade. Either way, I'm still going to make analysis on all the pairs and give my idea and thoughts and signals on how I think the markets will play out, even with NFP. So far on the list, we have of pairs that we're going to do analysis on. We have GBP USD, Euro CAD, CAD JPY, USD JPY, Gold, and Euro USD. If you guys want any more before I start doing the analysis, just put that in the comment section. Let's wait till we have up to 50 people. I think people are getting the notifications late. This is why you have to have all the notification bells on. While we're waiting for more people to join on the live, like I said, if you have any pairs you want analysis on, you have any questions about trading, scalping, hedging, put that in the comment section. We have Euro USD, Gold, USD JPY, CAD JPY, Euro CAD, and GBP USD. So far, we're going to do analysis. If you have any pair, you can add it to it, and we'll do it. Let's just give it like 2 more minutes, 2 or 3 more minutes, and then we'll start doing the analysis. Which one is the first one on our list? Ah, yes, we're going to do Bitcoin also. Yeah, we're going to do Bitcoin. Let me add that to the list. Okay. Our last analysis on gold, the last analysis I gave, I said the market was bearish. I told people to sell from around here. Okay, the market didn't break this price because, you know, it stabilized at this point and continued to drop. Okay, it got to a point where I said the market was going to reach our target, and the market has been consolidating there for quite a while. Okay, and I'm sure that is because of NFP. Okay, the market is just trying to manipulate, in my own opinion. Okay, someone said analysis on gold. Yeah, gold is added to the list. Gold is added to the list. All right, so let me state what pairs that we have on the list again. We have gold, Euro USD, USD JPY, CAD JPY, Euro CAD, GBP USD, and Bitcoin. Jegan Xavier, okay, I don't allow that. Don't put analysis, don't put, don't just come in and in my chat section and start saying, oh, go to do this, or don't put analysis that you are just making off your head. I don't like all this guessing nonsense. It's not good. Somebody will see it and do it, and you may not do it, but that person will do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you on timeout. Okay, don't do that again. Don't just come in and put random analysis. Okay, I don't allow that. Someone else said gold is on the list. You must just be joining in. Okay, let's wait for like 3 more or 2 more minutes. Okay, let's wait for 2 more minutes and I'll start. Okay, I'm going to repeat the pairs that we're doing free analysis on again, because some people were not here when I said what pairs we're working on. We're going to work on Euro USD, gold, USD JPY, CAD JPY, Euro CAD, GBP USD, and Bitcoin. Okay, if you have any other pairs you want analysis on, you can just put that in the comment section. Okay, thanks AJ Makar for the comments. Great analysis. You think gold is going up? Okay, I'll do the analysis now. In less than 2 minutes the analysis will start. Someone said, please advise when the current gold objective is achieved in order to position the next one. I don't understand what that means, but anyway, I'll do my analysis on gold. Guys, remember, if you have any questions about trading, scalping, swinging, hedging, the way I trade, put that in the comment section. If you have any pair you want analysis on, put that in the comment section. While I'm doing the analysis, you can also ask questions. All right, guys, 30 more seconds before I start doing the analysis. Remember, guys, we have gold, Bitcoin, GBP USD, Euro CAD, CAD JPY, USD JPY, and Euro USD that we're going to do analysis on for today. Okay. All right, let's start. We're starting with gold. Okay, gold reached our target. Okay, I'm not surprised, but for now, where do I expect gold to go next? Let's look at it. Where is gold? Where is gold? Where is gold? Okay, gold is in a very dangerous position right now. Okay, it's kind of consolidating. Okay, around 1815, and let's just say 1805. Okay, yeah, or no, yeah, around that area. Anyway, my bias is still short on gold. Just 1 minute. My bias is still short on gold. It can go as high as 1830 if it's not continuing to be influenced by what do you call it, NFP that is going to happen this week or probably next week, and it can go as low as 1790. Okay, so we have to be very cautious of these areas. Okay, it can go as low as 1790, which is going to be my target. Okay, okay, and it can go as high as 1830. Okay, but what we have to look at is it gonna break 1815, right? That's what we have to be very, very cautious of. Is it gonna break 1815? It's possible to find this to sell at this point, but you want to place your exits above. If it starts breaking the highs of 1815, then I'll exit a sell. Okay, you can start to sell right now and go for that target of 1790 on gold, and it's quite low risk, very, very low risk trade. Okay, it's a very low risk trade. Okay, 1 minute. Let me send that to my members also, because I have members. I have to give them this analysis also. So for the people in my signal group, I'm gonna send you a quick analysis right now. All right. Yeah. Just 1 minute, guys. Someone asked the question. I'll get to that soon. I just have to, you know, give my analysis on gold to my signal members. So just 1 minute. Chica, chica. Now let's go back and go to the comment section. Someone says, my name is Collins. I really appreciate you, sir. My question is on hedging. How do you hedge out your losing trade? Well, most people hedge out by using martingale, but in my opinion, martingale is just guessing, right? Because most people, when they are hedging, they are just hedging because, oh, they saw the markets go up a little bit, so they buy. They saw the markets go down a little bit, so they sell. That's not how hedging works, because you are buying and selling at random points. What is hedging? Hedging is making profits to cover your loss. So basically, it's like, let's say you were not in a loss, you will be making profits, right? So that's the idea of hedging. When I teach my students, I show them how to make profits to cover the loss that they are holding. When you have a loss, right? You want the loss to stay the same. You don't want the loss to increase. So I teach my students how to hold that loss and make profits without stress, without using a large lot size, without stressing your account, without guessing, because sometimes it can go up for just a few hours and then come down, right? We know that happens. Or it can go down for just a few hours and then continue to go long. So you don't want to sell and then a couple hours it goes up, and you don't want to buy and then a couple hours it goes down. With my software and with the way I teach my students, even if it goes down for a short period of time, they are not going to panic, because they know where exactly to buy and where exactly to sell. The software also shows you that, right? If you're using martingale's method, what are you doing? You buy with 1, you sell with 2, you buy with 4, you sell with 8. No, that is just going to blow your account. Okay, you are stressing your account, and then you are buying and selling at random points. That's not how to hedge. Okay, so my way of hedging is very different. I did get the idea from martingale, but I also studied hedge funds. Hedge funds, they all hedge, right? You don't see any hedge fund saying, oh, I'm using a stop loss. Never. You don't hear it anywhere. It's retail traders who use stop loss. Okay, someone who is trading over 100 million is not going to use stop loss. Imagine they're in $100,000 loss. Do you think they're going to close it and say, oh, I just closed in $100,000 loss? No, they don't do that. You don't hear it anyway. So I don't know why retail traders do that. But anyway, now Ivan Kukorov, I don't know if I got your name right, became a NLFX supporter. All right, welcome. Let's go back to our gold trade. So guys, that's it, right? We have a good high risk to reward ratio trade on gold. You can set your stops at the highs of 1815. Okay, if the price starts to get above that point, then I'll close for a loss. However, with this sell opportunity, you have the opportunity to gain about over how many over almost 200 pips profit, right? Compared to how much risk you'll be taking, less than 50 pips. So use that to decide on how much lot size you would use. All right. So now that we are done with gold, let us move on to Bitcoin. Remember, guys, if you have any pair that you want free analysis on, put that in the comment section. I'll add it to my list. Okay, let's move on to Bitcoin. Once we're done with Bitcoin, we'll move on to foreign exchange pairs. Okay, where's my mouse? Can you guys still hear me? Hello? Can you guys still hear me? If you can hear me, can you put like yes in the comment section? I don't know if you guys can still hear me. Hello? Let me know if you guys can still hear me. Okay, you guys can still hear me. All right. Yeah, so let's move on to Bitcoin. All right. Before we go into foreign exchange pairs. Bitcoin, remember what I said the last time we did our analysis? I told you guys that I think this is a pump and dump, okay? It's just trying to trap traders into, buying a false narrative. I told you guys that if price, the price might try to come up here. If it doesn't stabilize, it's going to drop. And that is exactly what happened. So right now, let's look at Bitcoin again. Don't be really fooled by these Bitcoin pumps. Look at everything, it's in red now, right? If it was a Bitcoin trend, right, you won't have any issues with all these pump and dumps. You will be making profits whether you know about crypto or whether you don't know about crypto. You would be able to make at least some profits. So we are not in a full buy trend. Okay, I've been dealing with crypto for years. I know what it's like when we're in a full buy trend. I know what it's like when we are not in a full buy trend. Okay, I made a lot of money with crypto very easily, thousands upon thousands of dollars. So I know what I'm saying. Okay, we are not in a full bullish buy trend. Okay, all these are just traps, people pumping the markets to fool people. All right, but what you should now be cautious of and look out for is this 24,000 price, right? If Bitcoin is able to break this price, right, in the middle of the week, okay, sometime in the middle of the week, then we might have the opportunity for a full buy trend. But in my opinion, all these are just pump and dumps, right? Okay. Now that we're done with Bitcoin, for now, I still expect it to maybe keep consolidating or have a full-on drop. But let's move on to foreign exchange pairs. Okay. Next, we have Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Boom, boom, boom. Where's Euro USD? Euro USD is always hiding from me. Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro. Oh, okay. Euro USD. Euro USD, last time we did the analysis, I told you guys the price went down. I told you that there will be either a continuation down or push up. Eventually, we did have our push up. Okay, it resisted this price 1.07 and then eventually went on to drop. It hit our targets, then consolidated for a bit, then continued to go down. So, based on what happened before, we have to look for 1 minute, guys. I want to check something. I'm taking a trade right now, guys, so bear with me just 1 minute. Yeah, all right, I was taking a trade, guys. Let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD is kind of looking bullish right now. Yeah, I didn't say you should buy Euro USD. He said, thanks for the explanation on hedging. I'll be one of mentors as soon as possible because I hate stop loss with passion. Yeah, when I used to use stop loss, I never really used to move forward. Okay, I would be in profits, then I'll be back at break even, then I'll be in profits, then I'll be back at break even, and eventually you start to lose money. Okay, there was never any forward movement using stop loss, but the moment I started using hedging, I was able to make profits, keep the profits, grow my account, continue. Even if I had issues in the long run, I was able to make profits. Okay, if stop loss just makes you stagnate and then lose everything eventually. Okay, very hard for you to have a long-term account with while using stop loss. Felipe says buy Euro USD. Felipe, I haven't done an analysis on Euro USD. We just jumped into it right now. Someone says, what trades did you take? I took gold and Euro USD. I can show you the Euro USD trade I'm on right now. Let me just share my screen. Let's see. Okay, so I'm currently in a sell on Euro USD. It's kind of looking bullish, so I might close this trade soon. I have some I've put my break even in some profit. But yeah, I put my break even in some profit, but let's go back to trading view so we can do some analysis. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Where is Euro USD? All right, Euro USD is kind of shaky because we have NFP. All right, so most of these movements might just be false, right? If I wanted to take a sell on Euro USD, let's look at this very well. Okay, we have 1.025, right? We have 1.0525. We have 1.0525 actually. With Euro USD is having a pullback, and that pullback can go all the way up to 1.06, right? 1.06, let's say 1.0615, around here, right? If Euro USD continues to go long, I don't see any good entries or any good trades on Euro USD right now. I think it's falling for, it's being used to manipulate for NFP. If Euro USD is going to, the safest bet I can take on Euro USD right now is a sell, right? And if I wanted to sell, I would set my target around 1.048, somewhere around, or 1.0475, okay, somewhere around here. All right, but I would want to start selling from below this point. Okay, from below this point. So even if you're buying, even if you're selling, it's not looking good on Euro USD right now, right? I can only tell you my buyers what I see Euro USD doing right now. Euro USD is kind of bullish right now. Okay, is there any good signal to take on Euro USD? Not really, not really, unless you're already in a buy. If you're already in a buy, the moment it starts going below these lows, you should close your trade. I don't really see anything good on Euro USD right now. So yeah, I'm currently in a sell on Euro USD. I'm going to hold that. I'm going to put my stop loss in more profits, okay, just in case, so that I can at least close with some profits if this continues, which I doubt it will continue going long. But yeah, that's Euro USD for you guys. Let's move on to USD JPY. All right, where is USD JPY? USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY, my bias is long. Okay. For now, my bias is long. For a very long period of time, my bias is long on USD JPY. Just 1 minute before I give my analysis on USD JPY. USD JPY has a very good buy opportunity, by the way, so you guys might want to pay attention. Okay. All right, USD JPY. USD JPY has a very good buy opportunity. All right, and I'll explain why. Now, USD JPY, my bias is long. I believe it can go as high as 137.5. All right, if the market stops consolidating, I can see it going as high as 137.5. Okay. Do I see a sell? Yeah, there's also a sell opportunity. There are two opportunities actually. Okay. Now, I'll explain. There's a buy opportunity on USD JPY. There's a sell opportunity on USD JPY. I'll explain right now. USD JPY can go all the way down to 135, right? So there are two opportunities, right? And both of them are very low risk trades, right? You can take a sell right now on USD JPY and it can go all the way down to 135. If you take that sell, you can place your exit at the highs, okay, around, let's say, 136.6, right? It's a very low risk trade, high reward, okay? Low risk, high reward trade for a sell. Now, you can also, in fact, you can take two trades at the same time, right? You can also take a buy on USD JPY, right? If USD JPY breaks the high of 136.5, you can take a buy on USD JPY, right? And set your exit at 136. Okay, do you guys understand what I mean? If you understand, you can put yes in the comment section. If you don't understand, you can put no. There are two opportunities on USD JPY. Can you guys still hear me? Okay. There are two opportunities on USD JPY. There's a sell opportunity and there's a buy opportunity. Both of them are low risk trades. You can sell right now, place your exit around here. You can buy once it breaks this high and place your exit at the lows around here. Okay. But long term, my bias on USD JPY is long. Okay, so what I mean by that is, throughout the week, I believe that USD JPY is going to go long. All right, so let's move on to CAD JPY. Where is CAD JPY? CAD JPY, CAD JPY. Where's CAD JPY? Okay, CAD JPY. So we have CAD JPY, Euro CAD, and GBP USD left for our analysis before I end the stream. Remember guys, if you have any other questions, put that in the comment section. Today I have a video that is going to be uploaded. It's another scalping video. It's going to be uploaded in the next about 4 hours. You can just go to the main channel and switch on the notification bells for that video, so you get notified once the video is public. You can like also, so you encourage me to keep on uploading more scalping videos. And let's move on to CAD JPY. I'm still looking for CAD JPY. Where's CAD JPY? CAD JPY. CAD JPY. CAD JPY. I don't have CAD JPY on this list. Why? Let me add CAD JPY. CAD JPY. Right, there we have CAD JPY. Alright, I haven't worked on CAD JPY for a while, so just give me some time. Let me set up my chart just a little bit. So it's a bit organized. Remember guys, if you want to learn how to do this, if you want to buy the course, you can just go to nlfxandcrypto.com. I also have signals which you can get at nlfxandcrypto.com. When you have the signals, you get analysis like this every day. You just say whatever pair you want and you get the analysis in about 5 to 10 minutes, okay, with signal. Because I don't usually do this free analysis all the time. I just do them at random periods of times. So when you have the signals, it's something you can request every day. Smith John said, can you see gold? I already did the analysis on gold, right? So you can just rewind on this live stream and you see the analysis on gold, or you can wait till the stream ends and rewind. Either ways, I've done gold is one of the first pairs I did analysis on, so just rewind a bit and you see the analysis on gold. I've done some other pairs also. What we have left is CAD JPY, Euro CAD, and GBP USD. If you have any other pair you want analysis on, you can just put that in the comment section, okay? With that being said, let's get back to where we were, which is CAD JPY. CAD JPY, my bias for CAD JPY is long term, okay? It's pulling back a bit right now. Maybe it's gonna have a reversal. Maybe it's just trying to fool traders. We don't know yet, right? But my own personal bias is long term is going long, right? Now the same way, just the same analysis I had on USD JPY, basically the same thing, right? CAD JPY, USD JPY, kind of the same thing. So it's the same thing analysis I had on USD JPY. I'm applying it on CAD JPY. I see the same thing, right? We can set a target, okay, for 101 for CAD JPY, right? You can take a buy from around the high of here, okay, for just about 50 pips, and you can set your stop at the lows of here. All right, it's kind of a one-to-one kind of trade, so is it really worth it? Depends on you, right? Now there's also a sell opportunity on CAD JPY, right? The market can go all the way down to 99.5. all right, so you can also sell all the way down to 99.5 from here and put your stops at around 100.4. okay, you have kind of somewhat of a good risk to reward ratio that way. So you can take both a buy and a sell. Either way, you're going to win one of them and you're going to make profit, okay? It's kind of a gamble, okay? And that's because we have NFP, right? So to me, the gamble is actually selling, right? But anyways, let's move on from CAD JPY. It doesn't really seem that interesting. Doesn't really seem like it has a good opportunity. If you are desperate, is when you take trades like CAD JPY, okay? Let's move on to Euro CAD. Euro CAD, baby. Euro CAD. I like EuroCAD, you know, but I don't trade it that much. Someone says GBP JPY. All right, let me add GBP JPY to the list. We should have done GBP JPY when we're doing CAD JPY and USD JPY. But yeah, I'll add it to the list, no problem. But let's focus on EuroCAD for now, right? EuroCAD is kind of shaky. It's kind of shaky because it's been consolidating for weeks, right? Since even before the middle of the month, it's been kind of consolidating. So I wouldn't really want to trade EuroCAD. You know, it's been in this position for weeks. Weeks, guys, weeks. Okay, so is it really something you would want to trade? I personally wouldn't trade it, right? So I don't know if you're in a trade on EuroCAD. I don't know what I can say, right? I don't see any opportunity. It's been consolidating around this area for weeks. So I wouldn't trade something like this. I really wouldn't. However, long-term bias, let me just do a bias. I wouldn't give a signal on this. Long-term bias, I would say short. That's just what I would say. Long-term is, I believe, is going to go short. I wouldn't give any signal on this. It's a very terrible pair to trade right now. I would just move on. If you're already in a trade on EuroCAD, you know, it's kind of tricky, but someone says, can you do US 100? I don't do it. I don't do all those NAS 100, US 100. Most of you guys don't even know what it means. Do you know what US 30 means? It's a combination of all those stocks, right? Combination of 30 stocks, combination of 100 stocks mashed up together, and you guys are trading it. I don't think you guys know what you are trading, but let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. I don't really do much analysis on all this kind of, this is crap to me. But US 30, why not? US 100 actually, because it said US 100. All right, so let's give it a try. US 100. US 100. I have to look at this very, very carefully. Okay, yeah, US 100, yeah, it looks like it's kind of having a reversal, but I wouldn't say it's a buy, right? I would just say it's having a pullback, right? What you should be cautious of is around this area, right? If it starts to break this area, then I'll expect it's going long, right? But so far, it just looks like it's having a reversal. I would expect a push down eventually, right? So I don't do much on Euro, on USD, US 100 and US 30, because most of the time, most of you guys don't even know what you're trading. Is not that easy. It's much more complicated than actually trading. Not that complicated though, but yeah, when it comes to risk reward, risk management, you make a lot of profit from trading those kind of pairs, but you can lose a lot trading those kind of pairs, especially if you're wrong. Okay, so it's for people who have a small account and just want to gamble and try their luck. If you have a big account, you want to trade long term, you are trading all those kind of US 30, US 100, you are taking a mighty risk, really. Okay, but anyway, let's move on to the next pair, which is GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Where's GBP JPY? Gold, please. Someone says gold. I've done gold already. All right. just rewind. Gold was one of the first pairs I did analysis on. Okay, join early, and you know, if you want to get notification for when I'm doing this free analysis, I post that in my free Telegram group, right? Join the free Telegram group, you get notifications about that, so you can join in early. Or click all the notification bells on YouTube, and you can get like a early notification that the free analysis is about to start. Also, if you want analysis whenever you want every day, just join the Signal group, right? You can just click join on YouTube or go to the website. With that being said, where are we? We're on GBP JPY. Let's look at what is going on. I remember the last time I gave analysis on GBP JPY, I told you guys once it's reached this position, we should expect a pullback. We had a pullback. I told you guys to buy around this area, around the 162 and 161.75 area. I don't know if it was anyone on our last live stream when I said that, or you can just watch the previous live streams. I remember I said that. I told you guys buy around 162, buy around 161.75. If it starts to go below the lows of 161.5, then sell. It did not go below the lows of 161.5, as you guys can see. Remember guys, I said this in the last live stream. I remember I said this. I told you guys buy here or buy here. If you had bought around those areas, you guys, even if you bought early, you guys should be in at least 100 pips profit. All right, and we haven't even reached our target. Okay, you should be in at least 100 pips profit, and that's if you bought early. Okay, if you bought lower, you should be in at least almost 150 pips profit. The last live stream I gave, if you took every single trade, there is no way you should be in less than 400 to 500 pips profit. There is no way. There is no way. But anyway, does my system work with synthetic indices? What synthetic indices? Do you mean like US 30, US 100? Let me see, synthetic indices. What's that? What's synthetic indices? Can you clarify? What pairs are those? Maybe just clarify. I don't really know what's. Do you mean US 30, US 100? Maybe clarify more in the comment section. But anyway, let's go back to our focus on GBP JPY. My bias on GBP JPY is still long. Is there gonna be a safe entry on GBP JPY? It's still possible, right? It's still possible. If you wanna enter and join in again on GBP JPY, I would say try to buy around 162.75, right? Place your exit around 162.5. If it starts to break the lows of 162.5, expect sells that can go all the way down to 161.75, right? 161 point, is that correct? 161 point, yeah, actually 161.5. If it starts to break the lows of 162.5, it can drop for about 100 pips more. But my long-term target for my GBP JPY long would be around 160. Let's see, yeah, still around 164. My target is still around 164. And guys, most of these things I'm doing, I'm just doing my own analysis, and my software has done majority of the analysis already, right? The moment I open my MT4, the software has done the analysis. I'm just basically just copying what the software is telling me. I'm just basically copying what the software is telling me. But you know, you can still take a buy around 163.5, right? for about 100 pips, or you can take a buy at around 162.75 for about 125 pips, right? So my bias is still long on GBP JPY. Okay, yeah. Now let's move on to the final pair, which is GBP USD. Remember, guys, we have 8 more minutes left in this live stream. If you have any final questions, if you have any pairs you want analysis on, any questions about trading, swing trading, scalping, signals, the course. When I'm taking the course, when you're taking the course, I take live trades with you. We take scalp trades, we take hedges, we take swing trades, everything live. We do the analysis. I teach you everything before. We do the analysis together, and then we take trades together. Okay, live trades. Does your software, someone says, does your software work with MT5 as well? Yes, it does. My software works with MT4, my software works with MT5, and in a few weeks I will be introducing it on TradingView. Okay, I actually prefer for it to be on TradingView, right? Now let's move on to the final pair, which is GBP USD. GBP USD. What do we have here? GBP USD is being kind of rebellious. Same thing with Euro USD. It's kind of acting like it's going long. However, me personally, I think it's a false bias. The market, we can see there's NFP coming soon, and you know, in my opinion, the market is just trying to trick traders. But let's look at it so far from where we are, 1.205. It's possible for the market to keep pulling back all the way to 1.205. Remember, guys, I'm just copying the analysis that most of them, over 90% of what I'm doing on my free analysis, I'm just copying the software's analysis, right? I'm just going to my MT4, looking at what the software has said, coming back here to drop the analysis. You know, let's look, 1.18, let's see, 1.185. Okay, so it's kind of the same analysis I gave on Euro USD. The market can still keep on pushing long all the way to 1.205, right? Is long for now, but long term I still think it's going to drop all the way down. Do I see any good entries? Maybe if it comes all the way down to 1.195, right? You might be able to take a buy around here. You can place your exits around the lows of here, around, let's say, where is this? You can place your exit around 1.925, right? Because yeah, I see a buy opportunity on GBP USD like that right here. So you're gonna have like a low risk to reward ratio trade. All right, so that's it on the analysis on the pairs so far today. We spent almost 1 hour doing that. We have about 4 minutes left on this live stream. Guys, put in your last final questions. Tell me where you're from, tell me how you found the channel. The cure, I didn't understand your question. Before the live stream ends, try to clarify it, or just send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram. You can see that in the link in the description. Someone says, would be nice if you can share a video trading with your members just to get a bigger picture what we get once we enroll. Go to the channel. There's a section. I have videos of that. I have videos of my students meeting me in person. I have videos of me teaching my students over the internet. It's on the channel. Okay, so you're saying would be nice if I can share a video. I have multiple. I have almost 20 videos of that, right? Just go to the main page, scroll down a bit, and you'll see those videos, right? I don't know if you're new to the channel, but you know, sometimes it would be nice if some of these things that you're asking for, you check if it's on the channel, on the website first. Someone says synthetic indices are derivatives of the existing market product. Simply, they are clones for market test of real products. Like an S&P 500 can have its derivatives or clone. Why are you trading a clone? If it's a clone, then it's surely going to be manipulated by market makers. You do understand that, right? Foreign exchange markets cannot really be manipulated by market makers because they have some rules that they are limited to. They can't just go 1,000 pips today on Monday, go 80 pips on Tuesday, 500 pips on Wednesday, 20 pips on Thursday. This is the money that you spend. This is the money that I spend. This is the money that people in USA spend. This is the money that people in Europe spend. If they do that, it's going to destroy the world's economy. It's not just about some Forex traders that are trading, right? You have to get out of that mindset, right? So these clones are controlled by people, which means they are very prone to manipulation. If they are prone to manipulation, they'll obviously be manipulated. So why are you trading that? Why are you trading that? I just don't understand. Maybe you just don't have enough knowledge on that, which is why I keep on telling you guys to take proper education. But and anyway, it's your choice, your money. You do whatever you want to take. Exactly, the manipulation could be possible in terms of offerings. So it is. Yeah. Anyway, guys, we have about 2 minutes left on this live stream. If you want to buy the course, go to nlfxandcrypto.com. If you want analysis like for signals, someone says Euro NZD. Sorry, we're about to end the stream. If you want those signals, just get the signal and you can ask that for whatever pair you want every single day for a month. Yeah, so I'm about to end the stream. 1 more minute left. You said, my question, advise someone with an account of £100. I would tell you to, if I had a small account like that, I would go high risk and I'll be scalping, because there's really no point in trying to compound a small account. I have a good scalping system. You can go to the Telegram group. Go to the Telegram group and watch some of the videos and pictures that I uploaded there, right? Not links to YouTube, videos. You will see my students posting their MyFX book. They are making 200% a month, some even 400% a month. They are scalping. They are going high risk with a small account. When you scalp, you go high risk. You turn your £100 to £200 very quickly. You withdraw your deposit. Now you are trading with the market's money. You turn the market's money to another £200. Now you withdraw the market's money and you are using the market's money to scalp again. With a small account, I would go scalping and I would go with high risk. When I started trading, I started with 3,000. I turned that 3,000 to 11,000. Why? Because I knew that it was a small, to me, it was a small amount. I scalped it. I made a lot of profit very fast. I was able to take out my deposit. I was able to take out some profits from the market, and I was able to then use the market's money to trade and make more profit. That is how you are meant to trade. All those people telling you, oh, you put your money and then you compound. Tell them to show you a live account of them doing that. And then you would see that their advice is nonsense. Anyway, guys, till we have another session. I don't know when the next live stream session is going to be. Free signal session. Maybe it's going to be next week, Monday. Maybe it's going to be Friday. Who knows? If you want something consistent, you want signals every day, join the signal group. If you want the software, which basically will give you signal whenever you want, the software tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to exit your trade, when to scalp, the market direction, long term and short term, where to hedge, where to exit, everything. You know, it does the analysis in 1 second. All right, so you can buy the course. It comes for free with the course. And yeah, so far I asked, are you in a live trade? 73%, 73 people voted, and 64% of people said they're in a live trade. Hopefully my analysis helped you with your trade. Till next time. Is Hanko trade favorable for scalping such a small account? Thank you. Yeah, you can use Hanko, you can use IC markets. It depends on your goals, right? Are you looking for low spreads, low commission? Just look at what they offer and you decide from there. Hope to see you soon. Looking forward for your next live session. All right, guys. Hope you guys have a nice week ahead. And if you have any questions, just message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Remember to join the Telegram group for updates. And yeah, see you in the next session.